Okay, so this is the Singer M1605 sewing machine. It's in pristine condition, and it's all absolutely spotless. Got the foot pedal there, and yeah, it's absolutely pristine. So let's get it into use. So we'll straighten it up there. We've got some fabric here.
Okay. Change settings. Another setting. Try a different one. Different one again. Looks lovely.
So that's all the different settings there, and let's come out with the different. Oops. Get a straight one, little zigzags, big zigzags.